Welcome everyone. In this session, we will learn how to better control your traffic within VPC using custom routing tables. We initially set up several subnets within our VPC to segregate public, private, and isolated resources. All these subnets were linked to the default routing table. Therefore, upon routing traffic to the Internet Gateway, all resources with public IP addresses became accessible from the Internet, regardless of their subnet placement. This exposure is not desirable. To enhance the security, we must limit Internet access exclusively to the resources in our public subnets. To resolve this, we will establish multiple routing tables and tailor them to meet our specific traffic management needs. A specialized routing table can be established and connected exclusively to our public subnets. By adding an Internet Gateway route to its particular routing table, we can facilitate Internet connectivity solely for the resources located within these public subnets. Let's click on the Routing Tables menu on your left to open the Routing Table dashboard. Clicking on Create Routing Table will open the Routing Table Creation wizard. You only need to provide a name to your routing table and select the VPC where this routing table will be placed. Optionally, define one or more tags and click Create Route Table. Your newly created routing table will show in the dashboard. Next, we need to associate the subnets to this routing table. So click on Subnet Associations tab and click Edit Subnet Associations. This will show all the subnets available within this VPC. Select the one that you want to associate with this routing table. In our case, select all public subnets and click Save Association. Now that we have all the subnets added to this routing table, let's add the route to Internet Gateway so that our resources created in public subnets are reachable via Internet. Similarly, we can set up a routing table linked to the private subnets. Initially, this table will contain just the default local route, enabling traffic flow among all the subnets within the VPC. In our upcoming video, we will explore the potential routes that can be added to this routing table. We can easily add another routing table and associate all private subnets to it, just like we did for public routing tables. Similarly, by associating a specific routing table with the isolated subnets, we can configure it to traffic needs of the resources deployed in these isolated subnets. Again, let's follow the same pattern and add an isolated routing table and associate all isolated subnets to it. Finally, we will have our three routing tables within the VPC, each one associated with their respective subnets. If you want more control, you can also define a routing table for each subnet. Let's look at the resource map of our VPC and visually verify the subnet associations with their routing tables. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.